Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use MKV file in Premiere Pro. Guys, please watch this video till the end. You will definitely learn something. So you must watch till the end. Guys, you cannot use MKV file in Premiere Pro. There is lots of video in YouTube. They are making people fool and nothing else. I will show you how they are making fool. Come. I have two videos, one MP4 and one MKV file. Now how they are making people fool, before making video, they are converting this MP4 file to MKV. How? Just watch. Now they are changing the name. The actual MP4 file they are changing into MKV file. Just rename it. Click yes. This is showing this is MKV file. Now I am going to import this file. See, this is not supported file. Now they are doing what? They are changing the actual name. It is actually the MP4 file. Now if I try to import this file, this is supported because this is the actual MP4 file. That's why it has been imported. Now come to this actual MKV file. If I change this name, AVI or MP4, whatever, look, this is unsupported format. This is the way they are making fool. Guys, the only way to use MKV file is go to Chrome and type convert MKV file to MP4. Come to this site, bring your MKV file. It has been converted and download it. Big Bug Bunny, this is MKV, this is Big Bug Bunny, this is MP4. It has been imported. This is the only way, guys, you can use MKV file in Premiere Pro. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in the next video.